Well, well, well. Back, 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 bro. Bro, bro. This is what I'm talking about, bro. The consistency. The king of beatboxing, bro. The king. Oh my god. Taras, my bro. Taras, my bro. You're reading the comments, man, and I'm glad you're understanding the fans, bro. We need more videos, bro. We need more beatboxing, my G. Come on, man. Drop them one by one, bro, because we're here waiting, bro. Bro, guys, if you guys want to hear me chip some clot, I'm going into my Jamaican dialect now. Some bumbo clot, then stay tuned, man. Stay tuned to Ross clot. Yo, so people, look at this. You're going to react to Stanin, Beggin. 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 Oh my god. Yo, I'm too excited for this. Like, I am not sure about none of y'all, but right now at this point, I'm excited. I'm filled with excitement now. You know what? I am not going to waste no more of your time. Make we all dive into what Taras have to say here. Because, bro, I just know, I have this strong feeling that he's going to kill this. Like, he never disappoints, bro. Never. Absolutely never. Never. Okay. Let's pursue.
Baby, 'cause I'm begging. Boom, 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 boom. Begging.
Oh.
To love and grand out. I'm begging.
Walking out.
To love and hurt so darling.
Oh.
When I was kid, playing hard and fast 'cause I had everything.
Masterpiece, bro. Masterpiece. Oh shit. Bro. Masterpiece, bro. Oh my god. No way, dog. No way. No freaking way. No way. Yo. This man, bro. Who is this man? Yo, Taras, bro, you are a superstar, man. Ain't no freaking way.
I'll walk away, so roll me down. Easy come and easy go, into earth. So anytime I need you, let me go. Yeah, anytime I need you, let me go. Yeah, anytime I seek you,
this is crazy, bro.
And I blend and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Yeah.
The best in this entire fucking world, bro. Bombo clot. Oh, crazy. Hey, I am speechless, bro. Like, this man is actually the fucking greatest. The fucking greatest. Like, no one can compare to this man, bro. Not one person, bro. Yo, the traditions is crazy. No way, dog. No way. Ain't no freaking way.
Put your love in bend out, baby. Begging. Put your love in her out now. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your legend. Count them down, you want me to end. Only then can I begin to live again. Down to shell, just to be. Spotted all my life is taking over me.
Bra, 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 bra. Bro, bro, no way. Yo, no actual way. This man isn't the greatest. Like, come on, bro. Come on, come on. We can't be biased here, bro. We can't be biased, bro. There are so much, man. So freaking much people out there to rascal that can't make any comparison to this man, bro. This man is too good. Too freaking good. Too amazing, bro. Yo, he's too good, bro. Too good. He's the king of beatboxing. At this point, I have to give him that title, king. I'm calling him king because to me, he's my king of beatboxing. I'm not sure about anyone else, but at this point, bro, he's the king. He's the actual fucking king of beatboxing. Like, bro.
Broken man, I don't know. Won't even stand the devil's chance to win my soul. I'm back in you. Put your loving penthouse, baby. Back in you. Put your loving her out, darling.
Woo! Terrific. Absolutely freaking terrific. Jeez, bro. Bro, I was late. Like, I was 5 hours late, bro. Like, I'm way behind time, man. Like, bro, this is crazy, bro. This is way too crazy. This man is too good, bro. Too good. At this point, he can't compare to no one else, bro. He killed it. He killed it. So, Mr. Taras, bro, I'm imploring you, bro. Like, please just drop a lot of beatboxing. With all the respect, my bro, I respect you and also your fans because I'm a big fan of you as well. Ironically speaking, the fans love you, bro. And please drop a lot of beatboxing beats because you are freaking incredible. Way too incredible. Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.